In this video we're going to replace the pedals on this stationary bike. This actually came out of a gym. I actually got it second hand and paid about £350 for it. To buy one of these brand new you're actually looking at over £2,000. So the reason why I'm replacing the pedal is because the bearings have actually gone in it, and if you listen to that it makes a terrible noise, and as soon as you put the bearing under any load it makes a really bad clicking noise. I've removed the strap already, so if you can actually hear that, you can hear that it's making a right racket. The one on the left hand side is as smooth as anything. Obviously the bearings in that are in good condition. So I actually ordered a new set of pedals which were about £35 delivered, which is a bargain for something like that. So this is the pedal that we're going to be replacing, and as you can see there is quite a lot of work involved in making one of those. These are actually a quality item. We've got a protector there on the end. This is the right hand pedal. So that actually has a standard thread on it, so when you're actually cycling that will actually tighten up. As you can see the pedals are labelled up quite clearly. That is the left-handed one. It also has a left-handed thread, but this one is actually a standard thread. And to undo this we're going to need a 15mm spanner. Now this may be tight because it's probably been thread locked in. In fact it's not actually that tight. So we can very easily undo that. So that has actually been thread locked in, and as you can hear that is very noisy. The bearings have gone completely in that. So I will actually take that off later and I'll see if we can replace the bearings, and then we can keep that as a spare. And I am actually only replacing the one pedal because that is the only one that is damaged. Obviously you don't want to go replacing a good pedal because they are expensive. We'll just wait until the other one goes. We now just need to take the new pedal and apply some thread locking compound to the threads, and then we can screw in the new pedal. You can just make sure that's nice and tight, and that is it. And as you can hear that sounds a lot smoother. Obviously replacing the one on the opposite side is exactly the same. The only difference is it actually undoes and tightens the opposite way because it is a left-handed thread.